In this video, we'll learn how to use stack charts in Excel using an example. Here we have a stacked column chart which is showing region-wise total sales and how it is distributed across the three different products. Let's do it again. First step is let's select the data source and go to insert ribbon and go to bar chart and we select stack bar. So here we have been able to get a similar stacked column chart. Now let's do some changes in it to make it look similar as compared to the previous chart. Let's make some changes in the layout. First is let's remove the grid line and we press the delete key. Let's add data labels. Simply click on data labels and you can see we have now got the data labels. Let's change the color of data labels. For that we'll select the data labels and press Ctrl 1, and in here if you go on to text options and select white, so the data labels are white. Last but not the least, let's remove the value axis. Press delete. So by doing these steps we have been able to generate exactly same chart, but there is still one difference. The difference is of chart title. Let's rename it. For that we'll simply click on it. We'll simply double click and select the content and delete it. Now we'll write region product wise sales. We can switch between different chart types easily. That can be done by simply right clicking on the chart and then we click on change chart type. So in here you will be able to get the different type of charts such as line, pie, bar, area and many more. Choosing which chart type to take will depend upon how do you want to represent the data. Let's look at other types of chart available in Excel. Let's move to the PPT. Let's understand bar chart. Bar chart is similar to column chart except the values are represented on the x-axis and the categories on y-axis. It is used to show values across categories when duration or category value is long. So we have already performed an exercise on bar chart. Moving further, the next chart is line chart. Line chart is used to show trends over time. In line chart, category is represented by x-axis and the values are represented on y-axis. Let's move to Excel and do it practically. Here we have a line chart which is showing the trend of profit over different years. Let's create this line chart again. And for this, we simply need to follow the similar step that we had undertaken for bar chart. Let's do it. Step 1, select the data. Step 2, go to insert ribbon and select line chart this time. Yes, here is line chart. Here we have two lines, one for year and one for profit. Because year is numeric, so it is considered as value. Just delete the year line. Here it is, blue in color. Let's delete it. Here you can play with different components of chart like remove value axis. Select the value axis and press delete key. Remove the grid lines. So here are the grid lines. You can again press delete key. And we can add data labels. For that, we simply click on this plus sign and select data labels. So here are the data labels appearing. Here categories are showing as 1, 2, 3, 4 till 6. Now we need to change it to years. Let's right click over it and select data, then go to horizontal axis labels and provide the range of year. For range we'll simply select the cells. Press OK. Here you can notice that so instead of the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 we have now got the years. Now you can notice that we have been able to get a similar chart with a slight difference in the chart title. That can simply be done if we go on to the chart, just select it and type YOY, capital Y. But I see that there is a small difference and that slight difference is of color. But I am assuming that this small change you can do it on your own. Just give it a try. And in case if you face any kind of issue, feel free to ask us. Let's look at the other chart. In this video, we discussed about how to create a line chart in Excel. In the next video, we'll discuss about area chart and its uses in Excel.